Good morning students. In previous video, we completed exercise 3.2 of chapter 3rd matrices and discussed about the topic transpose of the matrix and its properties. Okay, today we are going to start the further topics related to transpose of the matrix. Okay, then our first topic is symmetric matrix. Symmetric matrix. What is symmetric matrix? Then first of all, it should be square matrix. Okay, it should be square matrix. A square matrix is said to be symmetric if there is no changes after transposing. Okay, it means a raised to the power t equals to a. Let us consider an example a 1 2 3 2 5 7 3 7 4. If we transpose the matrix A, then it will be again 1 2 3 2 5 7 3 7 4. There is no changes in matrix. Okay, therefore it is known as symmetric matrix. Okay, now write down the definition. A square matrix is said to be symmetric if there is no changes after transposing. That is a raised to the power t is equals to a. Okay, now come to this matrix. What to conclude about this matrix? Look, a12 is equals to a21, a13 equals to a31, and a23 equals to a32. It means aij equals to aji. Okay, now write down the elements of symmetric matrix are such that aij equals to aji. Aij equals to aji. Okay, now write down this example. Now our next topic is skew symmetric matrix. Skew symmetric matrix. What is skew symmetric matrix? Again, it should be square matrix. Okay, a square matrix is said to be skew symmetric if a raised to the power t is equals to minus a. Okay, a square matrix is said to be skew symmetric if a raised to the power t equals to minus a. Okay, it means the transpose of skew symmetric matrix is equals to negative of itself. Okay, look at the example. Let a matrix A 0 5 minus 3 minus 5 0 7 3 minus 7 0. Okay, if we transpose the matrix A, then it will be 0 5 minus 3 minus 5 0 7 3 minus 7 0. Okay, if we take minus as common, then it will be 0 5 minus 3 minus 5 0 7 3 minus 7 0. Okay, then it is equals to a. Okay, now a raised to the power t is equals to minus a. Okay, now again look at the matrix. What to conclude? The all leading diagonal elements are 0. The all leading diagonal elements are 0 and A12 is minus of A21, A13 is minus of A31, and A23 is minus of A32. It means Aij equals to minus Aji. Okay, now write down the elements of skew symmetric matrix. The elements of skew symmetric matrix are such that Aij equals to minus Aji. Aij equals to minus Aji, and all elements of leading diagonal are 0. Okay. Okay, students, take out your textbook and open page number 86. There is a theorem 1 which states that for any square matrix A with real number entries, A plus A comma is symmetric matrix and A minus A comma is skew symmetric matrix. Okay, we have to prove that. Let square matrix A, then A plus A comma is symmetric and A minus A comma is skew symmetric. Okay, we have to prove them. First of all, we take A plus A dash, A comma, A plus A comma. Let A plus A comma is equals to B. Then transposing of B, then it will be B comma A plus A comma whole comma. Then by property of transpose of the matrix, A comma plus A comma of comma, then A comma as it is, A comma of comma, it is equals to A. Okay, now there is no changes after transposing, then it will be equals to B. Okay, and if there is no changes in matrix, then it is known as symmetric matrix. Okay, recently we have discussed about this. Okay, now B is symmetric matrix. Okay, understand? Write down this. Now second part is A minus A dash. Again let us consider it is D. Then if we transpose D, then it is equals to D dash, then A comma whole comma, then D comma equals to A comma minus A comma of comma, then D comma equals to A comma minus A comma of comma is A, then D comma equals to, if we take minus as common, then it will be A minus A comma, then D comma equals to minus A comma, what we consider A minus A comma, which is equals to D. Okay, now D comma is equals to minus D, then it is known as skew symmetric matrix. Okay, write down, give this equation number second. Okay, students, now our next theorem is theorem 2, which states that any square matrix can be expressed as the sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. Okay, write down the statement of theorem 2. Every square matrix is a sum of symmetric. We know the symmetric matrix is A plus A comma, and skew symmetric is A minus A comma. Okay, then every square matrix is sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. Okay, now solve the RHS part. Then RHS part is A plus A, that is 2A, and A comma minus A comma, which is equals to 0. Okay, then in RHS there is a 2A, but in LHS there is only A. Now both LHS and RHS are not equal, then how can we equate them? If we multiply both part, okay, by 1 by 2, then it will be equal. Okay, look, if we multiply the symmetric part and skew symmetric part by 1 by 2, then it will be equals to a. Okay, now solve this part, RHS part. Then half a plus half a, which is equals to a, and half a comma minus half a comma equals to 0. Then half a plus half a equals to a, and in RHS there is a, and LHS it has it also a. Okay, okay. And if we want to prove this theorem, then we have to put half a plus a comma equals to p, and half a minus a comma equals to q. Then p equals to half of a plus a comma. Then if we transpose p, then it will be p comma half as it is a plus a comma whole comma, then half as it is by property of transpose of matrix. Okay, then a comma plus a comma of comma, then half a comma plus a comma of comma is a. Then what we assume, half of a plus a comma, which is equals to p, then p comma is equals to p. Okay, now this part is symmetric matrix part. Okay, similarly we solve for q. Then q will be half of a minus a comma. Again, if we transpose q, then it will be q comma half as it is a minus a comma whole comma. Then q comma is equals to half a comma minus a comma of comma. Okay, by property of transpose of the matrix, a comma of comma is equals to a, and if we take minus as common, then it will be minus half a minus a comma. And what we assumed, half a minus a comma, which is equals to q. Okay, now q comma is equals to minus of q. Okay, hence proved it is our skew symmetric matrix part. Okay, write down. Okay students, now open exercise 3.3, page number 88. Question number 1, 2 and 4 are your homework, and I am solving question number 3. In question number 3, we have given a comma and b, and we have to verify first part, a plus b whole comma equals to a comma plus b comma, and second part is a minus b whole comma equals to a comma minus b comma. Okay, now what we have given, a comma and b. Then first of all we calculate a. Then how we calculate a from a comma? We know the property of transpose of the matrix, a comma of comma will be a. Then we have to transpose of a comma. Okay, then if we transpose a comma, then it will be 3 4 minus 1 2 0 1. Okay, and again we have given b, then b comma is transpose of b, that is minus 1 2 1 1 2 3. Okay, now our first part is a plus b whole comma equals to a comma plus b comma. Okay, now a plus b, a is 3 minus 1 0 4 2 1. Okay, and b is minus 1 2 1 1 2 3. ठीक है, then its transpose equals to a comma is 3 4 minus 1 2 0 1 plus b comma is minus 1 1 2 2 1 3. Okay, then 3 plus minus 1 that is 2, minus 1 plus 2 plus 1, 0 plus 1, 1, 4 plus 1, 5, 2 plus 2, 4, 1 plus 3, again 4. Then whole its transpose. Now 3 minus 1, 2, 4 plus 1, 5, minus 1 plus 2, 1, 2 plus 2, 4, 0 plus 1, 1, and 1 plus 3, again 4. Okay, then transpose of this matrix will be 2, 1, 1, 5, 4, 4 equals to 2, 5, 1, 4, 1, 4. Now LHS equals to RHS, hence it is verified. Okay, write down. Okay students, similarly we have to verify second part, a minus b whole comma equals to a comma minus b comma. Then it is minus minus minus. Okay, then 3 minus minus 1 plus 1, then 3 plus 1 is 4, minus 1 minus 2 minus 3, 0 minus 1 minus 1, 4 minus 1, 3, 2 minus 2, 0, 1 minus 3 minus 2. Okay, then 3 minus minus plus 1, 4, 4 minus 1, 3, minus 1 minus 2 minus 3, 2 minus 2, 0, 0 minus 1 minus 1, 1 minus 3 minus 2. Then transpose of this matrix is 4 minus 3 minus 1, 3, 0 minus 2. Okay, which is equals to 4, 3 minus 3, 0 minus 1 minus 2. Okay, LHS equals to RHS, hence it is verified. Okay, write down. Okay students, complete your homework. Okay, goodbye, take care of yourself and your family, stay home and stay safe.